how to knit the left lifted purl increase. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you the LLPI increase. This left leaning increase for the wrong side is also known as PLL, purl left loop, or purled left lifted increase, PLLI. All these terms mean exactly the same, and here is how to knit it. To knit the left lifted purl increase, lift the left loop of the stitch 2 rows below the current stitch on your left needle coming from below. Then bring the yarn to the front and purl that extra loop. And that's already it. Let's do it one more time. So, lift the left loop, bring the yarn to the front and purl it. One more time. Lift the left loop and purl it. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. You might see how I purl one stitch in between the increases, but this purl stitch is not part of the left lifted purl increase, it's just the lifting and purling. On the right side, the left lifted purl increase will appear just like a KRL, knit right loop, or right lifted increase. As you can see, it forms quite the neat left leaning increase line here on the right side. Again, this is the wrong side. Anyway, that's how to knit the left lifted purl increase. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.